talent right about now. I feel like I want to leave. Anybody ready to go home? Anybody there ready to go home? We have the Kingstonians in here. We have anybody from Kingston in here. We have nobody from Mountain View in here. We have nobody from Nannyville in here. Anybody can Siva in here. Anybody can Flair in here. Can all the Flairing ladies make some noise right now for this international superstar on this stage from Nannyville to the world? Where you have the good thing them to the good girl them. Make some noise for DingDong, the boss of the Ravers, Ravers. DJ Dell. Yo. Sunday.
Yep, that's like my father. Aye! Miss Kitty, am a good baby mother. No matter what some man through them, I got gym body for higher than them something there. Miss Kitty, I go and my body look good. Oh, yeah, fantasize over a man there a while ago. Miss Kitty, the only person me give you permission with and give you rights with is your good husband. You see, after him is me.
I sincerely apologize, my baby father. I was not lusting after him or anything. I was just highlighting for my single ladies, you know, the situation. But let us be clear. Their body might be tight or tough, but your body is titanium. You understand? You understand? You understand? And also, you see to all your thing tall, you say when you turn upon your wallet, you're tougher than all of them. All of them.
She want rich race, young millionaire, 9-10 figure. What if you not fly here? Yeah, you want to have the rich one. Stop your crap chat, you want to make your you not rich here. But what you want to laugh when the thing say? Them girls don't get what they don't get. And them girls have done the thing I like trumpet. Why like that? So that's the rich one. If you are not in We don't want no friendship from them. Sing again now. Happiness. We don't have no wishes. Dance me a dance and I enjoy myself. I have my house and I have my drink and I have my peace and I don't want one. I have my riches. I got my money. I got my girl. Got my time. I got my prayer. Got my things. Miss Kitty, me love you. Now them don't love you like me. Lock off the light now, crowd. I lock off the light on the stage. I, St. Elizabeth, the amount of people will call me and say, DingDong, come out here. Rain a fall and the road mash up. I'm going to say, here what we're going to do. We're going to try with about 5 spare tires. Because me I'm going to reach out here tonight. We get about 2 punches forward. Don't worry about it. Me reach before every artist. Because me say, yes, it's Senti. I want place where me love to make art. Yes, I me come roll real joy. Nobody now watch nobody. Nobody now watch when nobody are weird. Nobody now watch nobody man. Nobody now watch nobody girl. Everybody just stay happy and enjoy themselves. When the happy people them there in St. Elizabeth, I want to see the float like them. I want to see the flood them. I want to see you rock them. I want more phone like than this. If you drive a Tina, you drive a Benz, you drive a, if you take bus, you use taxi, you everything. More lighter than this. More lighter than this. More lighter than this. I see me. More lighter than this. We see me. More lighter than this now. Happiness. We ain't now with stress. Wanna see a friend, wanna bad mind. We don't want no friendship from them. What is it now? Happiness. We ain't now with stress. Dance me a dance and I enjoy myself. If you want to have your business. Have my chicken, have my peace and I don't want war. Have my riches, I don't know. I got my money, I got my girl. Got my time, but I got my breath. From me on my brain, everybody will have one thing. Wanna be a friend, wanna bad mind. We don't want no friendship from them. Sing again now. We ain't now with stress. Dance me a dance and I enjoy myself. You want to stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. Nah, 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 nah. Look at the bird, look at the bird, look at the bird, look at the bird. Look at the bird, look at the bird. Hey, cool bird. Come here, run for what? 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 Goats, come here. Your baby father there. Your baby father there. You say, I'm not the piano. Come on here. lady and then it's something like Antoine, like, come here. I want you apart, your mom's apart. No, no, dance, yeah, dance. Come here. That's why I come say good night to you, man. Stick in your passes, sir. Girl, look at passes, sir. Come on, sir. Hey! The thugs them from Sente. We have to know to pick out foreigner. Come on the stage. Come on, they're good. They're good. You're not going to dance. Pass 2 cheers for me. Me and Harry's. Give me that chair. Sir, let me that chair. You see them?
Alright.
Come here.
Move the time.
Yeah. Come here, goods. Come. Sente. We have to know to pick out the foreigner them. The one named Visa pick.
Yeah.
Citizenship. Come here, good. Sit down like this. Yeah, Reese, you're not dancing. Miss Kitty, lock your ears and close your eyes. Whew. Yeah, Pastor? Pastor, go see you. Pastor, where am I go see you? You have Wi-Fi? Pastor, load the Wi-Fi, so stick to the traditional type of living. That one is very innocent. Are you single? You single? Good. You throw your offering every Sunday? And tithes and everything. Special offering. Good. Where you live? Jamaica or foreign? Jamaica you live? Or we get the foreign clothes them? Your people are foreign? Your people are foreign. You have a little boyfriend that like you're foreign. We send them the thing there. You know where it go. I watch now. Eh? Your auntie and uncle. You see next bar they come, I want something out there. Look here now. I say a single, right? Alright. You ever in a relationship in your life? Good. You ever talk to a man who have one car? Honda, Markets, Benz or Pima? Car, good. You never have a conversation at the car yet? Enough time, right? Alright. So I want you to echo the conversation now with me. Look here. I'm rich. I got money right here. Look. I'm not enough frightened for money. Because send to you come from your work. And your mommy I look for, hey mom, that's my new stepmom over there. And your mother, your auntie, your mother pastor, your mother passed away. God bless her.
Yeah.
Why you echo this you know? You see like how you're single? The part when if you rub me down, just rub me down. The part when if you just go on with yourself, just go on with yourself. The country girl them, can them always talk about country girl them. The country girl them are the best looking girl, can have the best quality skin. The cool breeze them will blow upon over you, and the river water will touch you know. Jesus Christ, your girls are diamond. Play that song you know. Act it out. Boy. Up me up. Me have a girl in the car seat at chair. We a big head spliffer. Me know she get for it. We a look out from there. So she want to listen some coffee and chronic. The vibes are kind of different, but a girl is never pan. Can't too already for the day the pan. And she top strike and I missed the one day I come here. She said she never give it up in alley. Pull up. You know nothing about cars. Get up and go. Miss Kitty, don't feel like we are trying to try something. You don't know, get up, please. I love you, we're not embarrassed. Come here. I'm put you out of my car. Please, go ahead. No, you don't lock it. I will close my door. They must say, if you come off on the stage, I'm now come off. Me now come off. All who love CB say CB. Say Lord, I say CB. Say Lord, I say CB. Say this have to keep every year. It have to keep every month. Free for come in. free liquor, free food. All who say free, say free. Play the song there.
No one else. No one else. Summer.
TV, me I said to them. Big up on the song. Everybody here. What are we up? What is that?
Come on.
Sorry. Stevie, St. Elizabeth, them sound don't know the song. You see a line of matter, sing it for me. When it's a nice one. Sing out, sing out. Woo. 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 When it's sing again. When it's a holly. Why you walk across the stage like Rihanna not look for you? Beyonce not look for you. Walk. When every girl is getting married to them, you want to have this summer body fit the body, they don't want to go all line up. The bag of them a chip, we clean up, because they don't want man. When you come over in the club, and the woman them, the DJ and the mood play, girl is fun. You go for the ladies and the fiddles, everybody, hi! Well, it's a hard. People, I name John Bravo, what is it? I'm a brother this. I feel voice never sound. Bravo! Brandon! What? What? You hear? You hear? That's what I say. That's what I say. That's what I say. It's a dancing day. That's what I say. That's what I say. And everybody on the real, watch it. Never come on, you never. No matter what you do, them say you never do for them. You know you want to say what you want to do, so them
What's that?
When I don't sing that song there. When I don't sing that song there. Please. You know, run by that one there. Run by that one there. Hold on there. Them say me can't sing it. Say if you don't know the song, it can't sing.
Alright.
Who know it? Who? You? Who? You? Come here, goods. Come here now with the flag. Lend me a flag. Come here, just come here. I just want to show you St. Elizabeth. Who you? Come. Come now. Come, macaroni. Oh, come. What you want this? I just want to show you St. Elizabeth, bravo. Macaroni, come. Nobody follow people, you have a hot boy and morning. Come.
Right now.
Get one of the flag them. Get another flag. They're not Jamaican flag. They're not the Jamaican flag, my friend. Come. Macaroni, walk up. I know your boss boy.
Let's start you.
Yeah. Hold on. Jesus Christ, man. Hold on.
Alright.
Jesus. CD, big up yourself. I'm only for sponsors, boy. I'm only for media people, boy. God no. Them say, and them say. Come here, macaroni. Bravo, she boss now, you know.
Boss.
Yo.
Alright.
Well on there. It's when the sing say. And everybody around the reel watch it claffy for claffy. Oh, it's a claffy. What if you say? What if you say? And everybody around the reel watch it claffy for it. Them a clap on your dead, them a claffy for it. No matter what you do, them say you know it. You know rate me, say what you want to. Me no want none of them claffy there for rate me. Oh, that sound. Oh, that sound. You see, in your bus the place now, macaroni. Me I give you 15 grand out of my pocket. Look here now. All if she don't know if you sing it, you know help it sing. You know where I say if you sing? Good. Play the rhythm now then. Hold the microphone.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Looking at you, you want to say. How many everybody ready? Let me see you now. Jump now, macaroni, jump. We know how to ready. Get back, pull up. Macaroni, I'm a killer. Look at this. Jesus God. Stevie! You're tired. You're tired. What happened? See now? Everybody here about 15 grand. Hear them me want to see. Hey! Huh? Una come. Come.
See them now?
Come on, the two wanna come.
Bring them up now.
Come round. Come round this.
Yeah.
Let me see. I like how St. Elizabeth want rich. Them say them don't want no money at all. Them just want to sing. Jesus. Rich St. Elizabeth them. Remember where I was sitting? Come here. Come. Oh, where you see them fan base come from? Don't make nice to them. Make nice, make nice. Don't make nice to them. Make nice, you know. You ever say? I know everybody wrote your name. Kimoni. And what your name? Tay. Your name glasses and your name pink blouse. Look here now. I know everybody wrote your real. Watch a coffee friend. They might clap on you. They might coffee friend. No matter what you do, them say you never. You know rate me, so what you want to do? Me no want none of them coffee if you read. Alright, play the song now.
What's that?
Watch them, dog. Watch them. Watch them. Big up one hour, you know.
Yes!
And everybody run their real. Watch your coffee friend. Them a clap over your neck. Them a clap to them.
Jump now! Who that jump? Who that jump?
Me no want none of them clap them. Real me. I mean, what's nice is I want to leave it.
Yeah.
Hey, look, come here. We don't ever want the money, but Amy, I go the same way. Come here. Remember, I'm rich. Yeah. Steve, you want to share it up?
I just want to say thank you for giving us this opportunity. All those who never want the money, thank you.
St. Elizabeth area is good people.
On Harvard. Oh, sir. Plus to Spanish town. Yes, and Catherine. Close to Ottawa, where you come from. Oh my God.
We want to be out from the school. We go to CMU. These people up to where I want me up to my school. I tell you, America. So anybody see me? I want her.
Stay in school, kids. Please.
You see that? And I get to picking them because they know for beg. Come here. Come here. Miss Kitty, come talk to them. Look here. You beg perfectly a while ago. CB, have a hear it. And them said, I'm not see there. Pan chicken crow, what they say. Come here now, Miss Kitty. Endorse these beautiful ladies because I like when they address the ladies. And come here. Come here. Stand up at the front. Them well-dressed Miss Kitty. I want to embrace them.
No man, listen, once you're talking about education, once you're talking about school, once you're talking about empowering and elevating yourself, you know, so Miss Kitty endorse that 10,000%. We say hold up your head, hold up your standard before you open your legs, you understand? And so I want you to give them a round of applause. Because when we see young ladies wanting to elevate, using what's between their ears, and that's what between their... We want to big them up all day, every day. So which school is here, go, miss? Oh, CMU. All right, so how much school fee you need?
I'm not going to be greedy. We can just be out for all night. We don't know.
So like when you say half, like how much that? Calculate it. Yeah, show me. Or say accept and say, and you go to school too? Which school you attend?
I'll be going to Portmore Community College.
And what are you going to be studying?
Business.
All right, good. It's your first year?
Yes.
All right, and you got accepted already?
Yes.
You have your acceptance letter?
Yes.
And what do you want to be when you finish?
An introvert. Yeah. I don't know that business.
Alright, good job. Alright, and you miss? Where the same you go study?
I'm doing logistics.
Okay, logistics is not bad at all. They're very good actually. Good area to go. Yeah. We love the young girls them. So anybody out here with a collection plate? Beg your act there. Me not have it, me have baby feet for that. Come on, come. But we're gonna work it out. We must find somebody to help, you understand? Yeah, come with us and call the school, man, you understand? And try to see what we can do and things like that, but we love that, and thank you so very much. Because some people just beg for my ear, or you beg for elevate yourself, me like that. I don't even call it begging. You're asking. Doing it so demure, so thoughtful, so mindful of the education. Come on, Ding.
Tell me love Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty, walk out to me with that one now. Bravo, we're ready again. We're ready again. We're ready again. We're ready again.
Yeah.
We're ready again.
We're taking over!
After show, it's after party. After party, so it's a lobby. After the singing, when I was sleep. And after talking, man, no man, girl, I feel it. Yes, ma'am, I can up the kid up on the asket. One of the team, where you say, show the one of your friend. Matter than the singer to me, saying, back is on ten. When everybody is shooting, so much he wants. Skip it, when he did it. Sing it, what on it, to rock, you know, it's like a man there. You like how we be, how we am, you know, no for them, you not talk with them, see me, bones, make sure you swing your hand there. When they come to you with argument, make sure you run them. I'll be a little life from your money, when I'm trying to hold a better time, make a second when you're out. Bones, so you feel bones. Bones, so you feel bones. Diary, keep it, try bones, keep it, keep it, never, come here, skip it. Me sleeping at the club and dance over dope and again I come and wind up.
When you're secure.
And the only video this, I'm going to post up on my page from CV Pan Festival. You see if somebody they beside on right now and them now move, push them down. Hold on! Hold on! What the devil yes me CV? Any party! What in it? Remember there. Come on, see. Shine like that crowd. Them say I'm the last song this. Alright, cool. You see if somebody, mom's with the baby, move and go over to the end, so please. You with the baby in your hand, so
yeah.
Please go over there. Oh, you're running the baby.
Watch your kid.
Go, she's running the baby. Make sure you're not dropping no woman.
Make sure you have the kids with the hand.
Please.
Yeah.
You see, anybody when they beside you, and them now move, push, then, come.
Vibes time.
When we say go on with the road,
One.
we are going to ride first.
Yeah.
And the only video this never post on my page from the concert.
Yeah.
When we say gas, everybody feel jump. Them see me last song. If me get a big forward for that song, yeah, we can sing 3 more. So give me 3 more, sir. Play it now then.
Hey, we're gonna get some gas. We're gonna get some gas. We're gonna get some gas.
Big up to everybody, make some noise for the Ravers, man. Ding Dong, the international superstar.